I believe that sports are one of the greatest things to ever have been invented. They bring people closer to each other, not only people from the same school, city, or state, but from countries all over the world. Sports are a great way for people to get to know some more people and make friends at the same time. I've had a personal experience with sports myself, and without sports, I would not be the person I am today. Coming into my first year of high school, I had only known about 2 people there, if that. Being involved with football changed all of that. I had never done any other sports outside of school, so that would be my first year in football. Within the first few weeks of practice, I had already made a few friends in the process. When you are involved in sports, it is almost impossible to not make friends. You would literally have to try to not make any. They bring you closer to the people you would have never thought you would befriend. Sports are a great icebreaker. Not only do you meet the people that go to the same school as you have a great chance of meeting other kids from different schools during sporting events. We should try to get as much kids and students involved with sports as we can. That way nobody has to be alone. They would all make more friends and have a more enjoyable time both in and outside of school. The friends that sports bring together could last a lifetime. My dad is in his 50s but still keeps in contact with friends that he has met while involved in sports. I hope to do the same and stay in touch with my closest friends. Overall, sports are a great way to connect with others, not only local, worldwide.